Hey everyone, I'm Lydia. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the latest tech to make your life easier. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Yarbo robot lawnmower, a game changer for anyone who wants a pristine lawn without breaking a sweat. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll drop the link below for the best pricing. Let's get into why this mower is worth your attention, cover its pros and cons, and wrap up with why I think it's a solid pick for your yard. First off, let's talk about what makes the Yarbo stand out. This isn't your average robotic mower. It's packed with smart tech that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Yarbo uses advanced GPS and vision-based navigation to map your lawn with precision. It's like giving your yard its own personal landscaper who never gets tired. You just set it up, define your lawn's boundaries through the app, and let it go. It handles complex layouts, avoids obstacles like trees or garden beds, and even navigates slopes up to 20 degrees. For those of us with tricky yards, that's a huge win. Another big plus is its efficiency. The Yarbo can cover up to 1.5 acres on a single charge, which is impressive for larger properties. This is the mower for you if you have a larger lawn and are looking for a robo mower. It's got a 60-volt battery that lasts around 4 hours, and when it's running low, it automatically heads back to its charging dock. No need to babysit it. The cutting width is 16 inches, so it makes quick work of your grass, and you can adjust the cutting height from around 1 to 4 inches to get that perfect lawn look. Whether you like a golf course vibe or something more natural, it's got you covered. The app is another standout feature. It's super intuitive, letting you schedule mowing times, monitor progress, and even set up no-go zones for things like flower beds or your kid's sandbox. You can control it from anywhere, which is great if you're at work or on vacation and want to make sure your lawn stays sharp. Plus, it's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so it's always ready to sync up. The Yarbo also integrates with smart home systems, so if you're into that connected lifestyle, this mower fits right in. Now, let's talk about durability. The Yarbo is built like a tank. Its IPX6 waterproof rating means it can handle rain or morning dew without a hitch. The blades are sturdy, and the whole unit feels like it's made to last through years of mowing. It's quiet too, around 60 decibels, which is like a normal conversation. Your neighbors won't be shooting you dirty looks when it's running early in the morning. All right, let's be real and cover a couple of downsides. The Yarbo isn't cheap. It's a premium mower, and the price reflects that. If you've got a small yard or a tight budget, you might not need all the bells and whistles this thing offers. There are more affordable robotic mowers out there, but they often lack the advanced navigation or app features you get with the Yarbo. Another thing to keep in mind is the setup. While the app is user-friendly, mapping your lawn and setting up boundaries can take a bit of time, especially if your yard has a lot of obstacles. Once it's done, though, it's smooth sailing. There's also a slight learning curve with the app if you're not super tech-savvy. It's not complicated, but you might need to poke around a bit to get the hang of all the settings. That said, the customer support is solid, and there are plenty of tutorials online to help you out. For most people, these cons are minor compared to the convenience and performance you're getting. So, why do I recommend the Yarbo robot lawnmower? It's all about freedom. This thing saves you hours of pushing a heavy mower under the sun. It's smart, reliable, and delivers a clean, professional cut every time. Whether you've got a sprawling lawn or a modest backyard, it adapts to your needs. The tech is cutting edge, from the GPS navigation to the app controls, and it's built to handle whatever your yard throws at it. For anyone who values their time and wants a low-maintenance way to keep their lawn looking sharp, the Yarbo is a fantastic investment. If you're ready to take the plunge, head to the Amazon link below to grab the Yarbo at the best pricing. We've got special promotional pricing through Rick's Review Hub, so you can save a bit while getting this awesome mower. Before you go, check out our other videos on the channel for reviews of similar products, like other robotic mowers or smart home gadgets, to see what else might fit your lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, or hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep your lawn looking fresh and your tech game strong. Catch ya on the flippity flip.